Hello guys, today I'm gonna talk about this Anker Soundcore. This is a Bluetooth speaker. This is just a quick unbox, okay? So let's see what I have here. So here we go, that comes in the box. So this is the Anker Soundcore Bluetooth speaker. And then it brings a box with the menu and also this cable that you can charge, okay? Connect to your cell phone and you can charge the Bluetooth speaker. So here we go. As you can see here, there's a rubber, which is pretty nice. I see that's a pretty good material. Okay, and here you have the buttons. So for power and some control for volume. Okay, you can increase or decrease the volume here. And here you can play, right? And a Bluetooth button, okay? So the feeling here is pretty nice. You see that's a good material, that's a good quality. Okay, so here's the speaker. And here you have some rubber feet. And in this side, just the connection for auxiliary, power, and microphone. Okay, so you just need to connect everything here and start working, right? When you click here and hold, we'll hear this sound and it's on now and ready to go. See, there's a blue LED here blinking. Then you can sync with your cell phone using Bluetooth, right? And I'm gonna do this in a different video, because this one is just an unbox, right? So at first it looks pretty good quality. The way I feel this thing here, it's quality, right? Here on the front and here when I move my hands here, I feel that the rubber is very good. It feels solid, it feels good, right? So that's the Anker unbox. I hope you like it.